In a big city called Happy Town, where people moved quickly and kept their feelings hidden, there was a young woman named Emily. Emily had a special gift. She could understand what others were thinking. Emily had known about her gift since she was little. At first, it was confusing because she could hear so many thoughts at once. But as she grew up, she learned how to use her gift wisely. One sunny morning, Emily saw a man sitting alone in the park. His name was Mr. Roberts, and he always seemed lonely and quiet. Curious, Emily decided to sit next to him. She smiled kindly and said, "You look like you could use a friend." Mr. Roberts looked surprised, but said, "Maybe." As they sat together quietly, Emily tried to understand what Mr. Roberts was thinking. She sensed that he was lonely and sad, even though he didn't say it out loud. Emily broke the silence and asked, "Would you like to talk about what's bothering you? Sometimes sharing your thoughts can make you feel better." Mr. Roberts thought for a moment and then nodded. He started to talk, and Emily listened carefully. She wanted to help him feel better. In the days that followed, Emily and Mr. Roberts spent more time together. Emily used her gift to understand his thoughts and feelings. She offered him comfort and support, helping him with the things that were troubling him. Their friendship grew stronger, and Mr. Roberts felt happier knowing that someone cared about him. Emily's special gift made a big difference in his life. News about Emily's gift and how she helped people spread all over Happy Town. Many people wanted to meet her and get her advice. Emily became well known in the city. She used her gift to bring people closer together, to mend broken relationships, and to help families make up when they had fights. Emily was always careful to respect people's privacy. She never listened to their thoughts without their permission. She only used her gift when she knew it would help. As time went by, Happy Town became a friendlier and more understanding place. Because of Emily's special gift, people learned to be more open about their thoughts and feelings, and this made the city a happier and kinder place to live. Emily's gift didn't just change the lives of the people she helped, it also made the city a better place. Happy Town was no longer a city where people kept their feelings hidden. It became a city where people talked to each other and understood each other better, making everyone feel more connected and united. And so, Emily, the young woman with the special gift, showed everyone that understanding each other was important. Her gift taught people that the most powerful thing in the world was the ability to care about others and offer help when they needed it.